Daily throw. Welcome to the Wayborhood, where Wayfair helps everyone create a home they love.
Kelly, it's so me.
Everyone's got their own thing. My thing, darling? Shine.
Here, you'll find dramatic decor and even a little drama.
How didn't I know Wayfair had vanities in tile? Oh!
At our place, it's a Western vibe.
Mom?
Oh, guess that Wayfair log rack came in handy.
Hi, Mrs. Wilson. Hey, Doug.
You hungry, big fella?
I'll find my vibe once I deal with these toys. This?
The Ottoman truck!
The Ottoman truck's here.
Do you have anything without legs? Oh, Sean, you'll flip for the poop cart.
In the Wayborhood, there's a place for all of us.
Wayfair, every style, every home.